Every month, floor cleaning businesses are wasting thousands on ads that don't deliver. Leads get missed, customers slip away, invoices pile up, and cost you real money. Especially if you forget to ask your customers for 5-star reviews. That's just as important as everything else you have to do. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend more to grow. With one single app, you'll capture every lead automatically, follow up without lifting a finger, and send invoices and estimates in seconds. That means more jobs booked, more revenue collected, and more hours back in your day. Stop leaking money. Stop losing customers. Start running your business like a pro. One app, end-to-end, built for floor cleaning businesses just like yours. And lunch is on me. What else can I do to convince you that this can help your business?